What's up, guys? So you don't know, it's Bros Adventures back again with another video. This time we're going on a nice little hike down to the bay to take a nice little fish. Everybody on the inside, this is the family from Trinidad that we're taking. You don't know everybody inside. Farmer!
Yeah, look at my penny back here.
100.
100 is the food.
Stay tuned for the video, guys. It's gonna be epic.
Me too.
Everybody inside there.
Everybody fit up?
Yeah, man. Where's that video? A matter of fact, you know.
Oh, it's a video.
Oh, it's a
Yeah,
video.
it's not a picture,
I'm
right?
posing like I'm posing.
Yeah.
Farmer, where they why me see your head, boy?
I'm a ghost, man.
I see you. Yeah, man.
It's the bro store.
You know, reach down inside. Huh?
Just come over the bag and put it.
That is right. Just once inside safety.
I think you need physical, mental, what kind of help, emotional.
Kaim,
Yes.
is it what you're claiming when you say no longer gay, right?
No. You can never know. Okay, Moses. She will take it up.
What I leave there?
Hold on to me, mommy, because you trust me.
This camera can't flip this one, so. Yeah.
Right? What you do?
Oh, you tell you yourself.
You come up with the boy here from Chile,
Yes, sir.
teaching him the thing.
You want the fish and thing?
You're going for it up.
What I tell you yourself. Don't know. Yeah. You want to put a little bit there. Crab, you know. Bust him in half. Easy like that. Bang bang. Shit, fall alongside. Take this. Break off a leg. This is the bait here. Break off the back so, fling that so. Take your hook, bait. This now is a little bit tough. Nice. But so you're ready to go. Easy, 100. Guys, these are the little small fish we catch here. But we're gonna let him go because we don't want this. So bye bye.